Menteri rang ba Rajabala Conrad kasangma mentara sengiu la pentip ba ki pulit jangawes karo hil kila kem laingut ya ki briew la suba dangti ha ka jeng kawang mau Rajabala ha kasing thoding ka khandai tarik kala langkat arhajar pon riu ha ka ba wei samlaw la khlad bat wei pat lam saujur nagalian jeng pulit kenang penlong ya jeng thuan ban kem se ki wei pat ki badangti ha ne kam runar ha ka juga por la pentip ba deputy commissioner jangawes ka Karo Hill District mentara sengiu lalu me jing yalang jang baro jat ben reu knang ban wanra ya jing suk ban hagne jalang la thawru ya ka peace committee menteri rang ba jala upharu ya khubor snolem shag bahi hasem jang to bala khlanno ha ju ka por ulong ba nagliang jang pulin kinnom shanklikti bad ya ki to badangti ka ain kan sale ya ka ban kam ban panistomiki katkum ka ain.
Friends, yesterday there was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident that took place in Garo Hills, where one youth lost his life and one was seriously injured. We condemn this particular incident and at the same time express our condolences to the members of the bereaved family. Last night, the West Garo Hills Police was very swift and multiple raids were made in different locations. 3 people have been arrested and the police is working tirelessly to find the rest of the people who were involved in this heinous crime. Today, the Deputy Commissioner has called different members of civil society to form a peace committee and to ensure that all related matters are discussed in detail. At this point in time, I would like to urge the citizens of Garo Hills that we must ensure that peace and communal harmony continues to be there in Garo Hills. There will be a lot of news that may be circulated in social media. Please filter them carefully. At this point in time, let me assure the citizens that the police and the administration is on its job, and we will ensure that strict action and all the people involved in this heinous crime are brought to justice. Thank you.